Make a great choice today with
the 2021 ELANTRA. The ELANTRA boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the ELANTRA is an easy choice. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, stability control, braking assist, power brakes, traction control, rear view camera, driver attention alert system, wireless charging station, audio radio, touch screen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function. Come take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.